Good morning, YouTube fam. What's poppin', you guys? How you guys are doing? If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Rodolfo Cardenas. This is the Team 10 apartment. Now, if you guys haven't smiled yet, I'm gonna make sure you guys are smiling. Make sure you guys keep working hard. Make sure you guys keep dabbing on them haters, because it'll let every single flipping day. Now, without any more further ado, let's do that. Okay, so speaking of my day, I just got a notice in the mail that my package has been delivered, and it's right here, you guys. Now, as you read for today's title and thumbnail, I got a new ring. Yes, I got a new ring, ladies and gentlemen. For most of you guys who don't know, I wear my rings on my wedding finger, which is this one right here. And so the history of this ring is that I bought this ring at Walmart, believe it or not, at Walmart for about $45.99. And it's a really good price, and it's still like, well, actually, it's kind of old now, because I got this one like 3 years ago. So this was like in 2018, and so I got a new ring right here. So let's go see. I want to share you guys how it looks like. See, it came with a little plastic bag, but here it is. There's my new ring. Of course, the color is black. Of course, it's titanium stainless steel. I got it off on the internet, as you can see. Now, the reason why I wanted to get a black colored ring is because, from what I've heard, that the black ring represents power, which is also represents loyalty to relationships, to all that stuff. And just to clarify, you guys, I'm not in a relationship with anyone. No one right now. Currently, I'm single. The reason why I wanted a black ring is because I wanted to change the style. See what I'm saying? And although the question remains, what kind of power do I want? I want the power of revenge. So if anyone who like turns their back on me, I want revenge. That's what kind of power it is, even though that sounds super childish. Anyway, so there it is. And of course, it's size 8. So it fits on here. And the reason why I wear rings, for those of you guys who don't know, I wear rings on my wedding finger is because it's for fashion, okay? And once again, I'm single. I'm not in a relationship with anyone, okay? As you can see. Okay, so let's go see. Okay, I just put it off. So now let's see how it fits. Look at that. What do you guys think? Alright, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, you guys, follow me on Instagram. It's at rodolfocardenas.mx. You guys can see right here. And I just have a wonderful day. And smash the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications on. Hit the bell button. Make sure to stay in the indoors, because it's hot here in California. I'm here located reporting to you live in Santa Rosa, California. And that's pretty much it. My name is Rodolfo Cardenas, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.